What's up guys, it's JC Tech and Finance here. Today I have a very special unboxing. Right now I have the Samsung QN95B 55-inch TV ready to be unboxed. Now, during my last video where I talked about the QN90B, I said that television was not the successor to the QN90A, and I still hold to that. However, I think the QN95B TV is the one true successor to the QN90A. Now, this is actually the first time that they are releasing the QN95 series in the United States, and as soon as I saw that it was available, I rushed out to get it delivered so that I can unbox this TV for you guys so that you can decide whether it's worth upgrading. Keep in mind that for this video, I'm just going to be doing an unboxing, and then in a subsequent video, I'm going to be giving you my first impressions of this TV. Now, let's get to the unboxing right after this. Welcome back. Now, let's just get straight to it. Okay, so on top of the TV, you have the quick start guide, you have the back plate, you have the stand, you have the pack with the solar cell remote that also charges using RF waves. You have the One Connect plug and a few other items. You have the stand. Let me get the screen out of the way for now. So, as you can see, the television is extremely slim and it lives up to its name as the Infinity One design. You also see it has the speakers located at the back of the TV, and you have the One Connect connector that will allow us to plug in the One Connect box to it. So next, let's talk about the slim One Connect box. At the back, you have a LAN port and antenna input. An X-Link input, 2 USB ports, 4 HDMI ports, with the third one being the eARC port, an additional USB port, and the One Connect cable. So as you can see, this is the same remote that's used with the QN90B, and it's the same, other than it being black, it's the same version of the remote that's used for the Samsung The Frame 2022 TV. If you want to know more about this remote, refer to the video in the upper right hand corner. Now let's pull out the tab to activate it and press the power button. Okay, we'll use the remote control. As usual, they provide the terms and conditions. They want us to install the latest updates. But if you heard about the update 1204 for the QN90B, you'll know that I'm going to hold off on updating until later. Just looking at the screen definitely looks more crisp. We'll talk more about the specific features of the QN95B, but a quick summary is that this TV has the latest quantum processor available that's also used in the 8K Samsung TVs. It has a 4.2.2 sound system, and it is what some might say the best LED TV currently available. So we're going to end this video here. If you enjoyed this little taste of the QN95B TV, stay tuned for the next video in the series where I'll be giving you my first impressions and why I think that this TV is a true successor to the QN90A. This is JC Tech and Finance signing off.